So I'm super excited. I had a Matco order come in today. And I was gonna unbox it for you. Start out with the smaller stuff. This is only my second order from Matco. This is really hard to do with one hand. I'll skip that. Got these slip joint pliers. I only got these because they were really cheap for Matco, that is. I think they're $11. Read that. Okay, see if I can get this open. There we go. Just an extension, Silver Eagle. I don't know, is this 10 inches? Yeah, I didn't have one. Anyways, let's get to this. Chargeable neck light. Seen these on some videos and had to have one. There's the code, the part number. Easy Red makes these. I got the Matco one. Green. Rechargeable, 300 lumens. You can turn on each side individually, which apparently it's dead. To charge each side? Huh. Didn't know that. Everything else. Charger. Is it two? The dual charger? Let's see. Yes, the dual charger. Okay, that's cool. Okay, last but not least, screwdriver set. Gonna keep this video kind of short because I don't have that much space on my phone. Hold on. Okay. I had some Huskies and I got some Milwaukee ones, but I wanted some better ones. And I almost got Snap-on, but kept going with Matco. These are like $160, I think. Oh, I dig that handle. Okay, and that's weird. All but, well, half of them have the hex nut to tighten them. But if y'all are looking for some nice screwdrivers, you only have to buy them one time if you get them from Matco. Look good in my green cart, but fortunately it's going in this one. But that's all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed it and subscribe, please.